Why EV batteries are catching fire in India, Engineering Reality explained. Have you noticed? Electric scooters and cars suddenly catching fire, sometimes even while parked. So the big question is, are electric vehicles actually unsafe? Or is there a problem that nobody is talking about? Today we'll break this down and connect it to what's happening in India right now. What is inside an EV battery? Let's start simple. At the heart of every EV is a lithium-ion battery. Think of it like a compressed energy storage system, but instead of fuel, it stores energy chemically. Inside a battery cell, you have anode cathode electrolyte. When the vehicle runs, lithium ions move between these layers, and that movement generates electricity. But here's the catch. This process also generates heat, and if that heat is not controlled properly, things can go very wrong. The real problem: thermal runaway. Now comes the most important concept: thermal runaway. This is where engineering meets disaster. Here's what happens. Battery temperature increases. Chemical reactions speed up. More heat is generated. That heat further accelerates reactions. It becomes a self-sustaining chain reaction. At around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, the battery can release flammable gases, catch fire, even explode. And the most dangerous part: once thermal runaway starts, it's almost impossible to stop. Why this is happening in India? Now let's connect this to India. Why are we seeing more EV fires here compared to some other countries? There are three major engineering reasons. High ambient temperature. India already operates at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius in summers. That means batteries are already hot before they even start working. Less margin before overheating, poor thermal management systems. In advanced EVs, batteries are cooled using liquid cooling systems. Advanced heat sinks, but in many low-cost EVs, cooling systems are either basic or absent, so heat builds up quickly. Cost-cutting and rapid scaling. India is pushing EV adoption aggressively, but here's the reality. Some manufacturers are prioritizing cost over safety margins, lower quality cells, weak battery management systems, BMS, inadequate testing. What is a battery management system, BMS? Think of BMS as the brain of the battery. It controls temperature, charging rate, voltage balance. A good BMS can detect overheating early, shut down the system, prevent disaster. But a weak BMS reacts too late, or doesn't react at all, and that's when you see fires. Global versus India, the difference, 5 to 6. Countries like USA, Germany use strict safety standards, advanced cooling, high-quality cells. In India, the challenge is different. We need affordable EVs for mass adoption. So the real question becomes, how do you balance cost versus safety? That's not just engineering, it's policy. UPSC real-world analysis. If you're preparing for the UPSC Civil Services examination, this topic is extremely important. You can use it in GS paper. 3 technology environment infrastructure interview questions. What are the challenges in EV adoption in India? How can India ensure safe energy transition? So, are EVs unsafe? No, but they are sensitive systems, and in a country like India, design must match real-world conditions, not just theory, because the future of mobility will not be decided by policy alone, it will be decided by quality. If you want more such explanations of current affairs for UPSC, subscribe now.